For making this shell edging, I am using small pearls. You can use seed bead if you want. Step 1. Add your pearls or bead to the string. If you don't know how to add small beads, you can refer my video. I have used a thread and needle. Step 1. Add the pearls. Step 2. Make first row of single crochet where you want to make edging or lace. I am making it for sleeve border. Start from the slip knot. And attach the thread. You have to make single crochet, first row of single crochet directly onto the fabric. Like this. First complete the row 1 with single crochet around the edge of the fabric. Now I have finished first row of single crochet. For second row, make chain 1, turn your work, make 4 single crochet in a row. 1 single crochet in first previous single crochet, second single crochet, third and fourth single crochet. After making 4 single crochet, skip 2 stitches, 1, 2. In third single crochet, you have to make shell of 9 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have just completed shell of 9 double crochet. Now skip 2 next stitches and go to the third single crochet or third stitch. Attach the shell just by making 1 single crochet like this. Now you have to make 2 single crochet in a row. 1, next 1 more single crochet like this. Now turn your work. You have to work on the top of this shell. Now make first double crochet on the top of first stitch or first double crochet. One double crochet, chain 1, then 1 double crochet into next double crochet. You are making the pattern of 1 double crochet and chain 1 over this shell. you are creating chain 1 spaces on the top of this shell. Repeat same procedure and reach here. Now I have made last double crochet in chain 1, skip 2 stitches and go to the third stitch and make one single crochet like this. Go to the next stitch and make one single crochet, then make chain 1, turn your work. You have to now attach pearls, slip one pearl like this and make chain 1 like this. Then go to the first chain 1 space and attach it with the help of single crochet like this. Slip one bead, chain 1, go to the next single crochet space or chain 1 space, just make one single crochet. Now slip one more bead, chain 1, go to the next space, chain 1 space and make one single crochet like this. You have to repeat same step all over the shell and reach here. On the right side this will look like this, and I have attached last stitch or last pearl. Now you have to repeat the pattern. Make 4 single crochet in a row, and in case if you are making it without pearl, then you have to make chain 3 picot like this if you are not adding pearl. So instead of slipping the pearl, you have to make chain 3 and go to the first stitch and like this. After making this picot, you have to make in the chain 1 space, you have to make one single crochet like this, so it will look different from beaded edge. Now you have to start again, just make 4 single crochet in a row. One, 2, 3, 4. Again repeat the same thing, skip 2 stitches, go to the third stitch, make 9 double crochet or make shell of 9 double crochet. That means we have started to repeat the pattern. follow the same pattern or same step and continue making edging or lace.